Sorry that I held you tight, and I'm so sorry for making you love me and saying goodbye, for being the one that taught you how to cry. It was love, 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 and it passes us by. For giving you everything that you dreamed, for taking it back when I fled the scene. Sorry, love, for wasting your time. And I'm so sorry that I hurt you, sorry that I fell through, sorry I was falling in love with you, sorry that it came true, sorry doesn't turn back time. For all that I have done to you, I wish that I could make it right. So sorry that I loved you, sorry that I needed you, sorry that I held you tight. And I apologize now after all of this time. Won't look any difference tonight. And I hope you slowly will open your mind to love, 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 loving your life. Sorry that I hurt you, sorry that I fell through, sorry I was falling in love with you, sorry that it came true, sorry doesn't turn back time. For all that I have done to you, I wish that I could make it right. Sorry that I loved you, sorry